Medication safety. Introduction. Can over-the-counter medications interfere with other prescription medications? Select yes or no. Correct. Tell your healthcare provider if you are taking or have recently taken any non-prescription medications or supplements. This includes pain relievers, laxatives, antacids, and dietary supplements. If you miss a medication pill, you can double up and take 2 pills to catch up. Select true or false. Correct. It is important to take your medication as prescribed by your doctor. However, if you forget to take the medication, do not increase the dosage without first asking your doctor or pharmacist. If you can't remember the names of all the medications you take, you can throw everything into a bag and bring it with you to your doctor. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.